Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So I'm just going to do another quick unboxing. So this one here is a Photon mask neck skin rejuvenation LED therapy. And the company is called Yourfun. So let's do a quick unboxing here. So this one, unlike other ones, well, here's the instructions. This one comes with a little neck piece, so you can actually use this to use the same therapy on your face, and it also does it on your neck, which is another cool feature. So here's the mask, and you can see it has kind of like goggles, like a little rubber. Is that like you're wearing goggles? And then here's all the LEDs. As you can see, it's really filled out with LED lights that does different colors. So what else comes in the package is these are the bungee cords. I believe this one, the bungee is for your neck, and then for the mask you put these on, so it's like wearing sunglasses. It just clips in, and here's the cable to each of them, to the neck and to the mask. And then this is the charger. You just use a simple charger. It charges the base. This is just a simple micro USB. And supposedly this is wireless, so I assume there's a battery pack in here. Oh man, that's not really going in. Okay, so I assume there's a battery pack in here that would just you could charge, and then it'll run both your LEDs at the same time. So you don't have to be plugged into the wall to use this, and you can just lay down in bed. So I'm not going to read through the whole instructions, but if you want a freeze frame, then you can, and then you can go through and see what each color and how they affect your skin. And I think most people would do the blue and the red, but it also does purple, which is a combination of both. But then you also have yellow and clear blue and laser white. Each of those would do a specific part of your skin. So again, you know, just freeze frame and, you know, read along to wherever you want. And as you can see, it's like wearing sunglasses. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave it, or comment, just leave it below. And I'll just show you the LEDs real quick. As you can see, it comes with a lot. It's even numbered. So this one goes up to 40 LEDs. And this one here, it's hard to say, at least 65 LEDs. So it goes all the way up here. So this has a total of 94 LEDs. So as you can see, this is a very nice product. And if you're into this type of stuff, instead of going to one of those clinics, you can actually do this at home by yourself. And I'll just kind of show you what you get in the package again. The neck, the straps, and the cords. Alright, so if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more beauty products, just let me know, and I can get beauty products, and I can do unboxing for each of those. Alright, I'll leave it there.